Hey there, VR enthusiasts. Today, I want to share some mindset hacks to help boost your confidence in virtual reality. First off, remember that you are in control of your virtual experience. Take a moment to ground yourself before diving into the virtual world. Remind yourself that you have the power to navigate any challenges that come your way. Secondly, practice positive self-talk. Instead of focusing on your insecurities or doubts, affirm yourself with words of encouragement. Tell yourself that you are capable, confident, and ready to conquer any virtual obstacles that come your way. So next time you put on that headset, remember these mindset hacks to boost your confidence in virtual reality. You've got this. Uplifting ending sentence. Step into the virtual world with confidence and watch yourself thrive.
Hi everyone. Today, I want to talk about 5 surprising ways ChatGPT is revolutionizing daily routines. First off, ChatGPT is changing the way we cook. With its ability to provide personalized recipe recommendations and cooking tips, gone are the days of staring blankly at the pantry wondering what to make for dinner. ChatGPT makes meal planning a breeze. Next, ChatGPT is transforming the way we learn. Whether you need help with homework, want to practice a new language, or simply crave a good book recommendation, ChatGPT is there to provide valuable insights and resources tailored to your interests. In conclusion, ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's a virtual assistant that is reshaping the way we go about our daily routines. From cooking to learning to relaxing, ChatGPT is truly revolutionizing the way we live our lives. So why not give it a try and see how ChatGPT can enhance your daily routine? Stay tuned for more amazing ways ChatGPT is making a difference in our lives. Thanks for watching.
Hey there, smart home enthusiasts. Today, I'm here to share some easy tips for smart home growth that you need to know. First things first, invest in a smart hub to connect all your devices seamlessly. Whether it's controlling your lights, locks, or security cameras, a smart hub acts as the brain of your smart home. Next, consider incorporating smart sensors throughout your home. These sensors can detect motion, temperature, or even leaks, providing you with valuable information to keep your home safe and efficient. By following these simple tips, you can take your smart home to the next level and enjoy a more convenient and secure living space. So go ahead, embrace the future of home automation. Uplifting ending sentence. Elevate your living experience with these easy tips for smart home growth. Stay tuned for more helpful advice on creating your dream smart home.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of quantum computing and observe just how quickly people lose focus when trying to wrap their heads around it. Quantum computing is a revolutionary technology that utilizes the principles of quantum mechanics to perform incredibly complex calculations at speeds that traditional computers could only dream of. However, because it operates on a completely different level than what we are used to, it can be challenging for many of us to fully grasp. Main story point 1. As we watch these individuals attempt to understand the intricacies of quantum computing, we can see their focus waver and their minds struggle to keep up with the mind-bending concepts being presented to them. Main story point 2. Despite the initial confusion and difficulty in comprehending quantum computing, there's a sense of awe and wonder that comes with witnessing the power of this cutting. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about a fascinating topic: boosting neural networks with self-esteem. Yes, you heard that right. Self-esteem plays a surprising role in enhancing the performance of artificial intelligence systems. Research has shown that self-esteem can significantly impact the learning process of neural networks. When a neural network is programmed with a positive self-image, it becomes more confident in its decision-making abilities. This increased confidence leads to better performance and higher accuracy in tasks such as image recognition and natural language processing. Furthermore, the connection between self-esteem and neural networks goes beyond just performance. Studies have shown that neural networks